The time right now, it is 4:13. We're so happy that you're starting off your Wednesday with us. And I would say very, it's not, I couldn't even call it a flurry. There's a couple flakes.
I mean, if you look at the weather deck table, it almost looks like, I don't know why everything goes. I don't know why everything goes back to food with me, but it kind of looks like, a little bit of sugar crystals or some salt. But yeah, very, very fine flurries. Stanley Lost Skywatch live downtown Syracuse, couple of cars. It's a little chilly, Lisa. Mid-February.
Yeah, it's winter.
It's winter. It could be a lot worse out here.
It could be.
It's all right. Even up north where there's some leftover slightly steadier light snow, it's not really a big deal here either. And as we look ahead, we're actually going to miss a southern storm.
Okay.
That's for tonight, so that's not going to hit us. Really, the only deal is getting some flurries out of here, some light snow. And how much sun are we going to see? This time of year, sun angle's really low, so when there's an overcast sky, and even when the computer models say, yeah, there's going to be some sun, I like to say, let's be conservative and go, whoa, let's, not go as much sun as maybe with the computer models. That's why the people are still doing the forecasting and not just computers. So here's the deal. Here's what I'm expecting today. Let's go and hit the maps now, show you the live triple Doppler radar. First off, you can see the flurries in and around central New York, and that's that kind of grayish that you see around Syracuse. This is not sticking really. I mean, this is just kind of more decorative than anything else. And the winds are still westerly and eventually southwesterly, and that's why when you get a little enhancement off of Lake Ontario, there's more than just gray. There's some steadier light blue. So up in here, we might be able to squeeze out an inch of new snow today. Otherwise, that's what's happening with the live triple Doppler radar. Overcast skies with a few flurries and light snow showers. On this map, you can actually show you not only what's happening here locally, but that system to our south. First off, the overcast skies go to about the New York-PA border. And while there will be a little bit of a push northeast with this, again, when clouds are this stubborn, the best I think you're going to hope for, at least for Syracuse and the Thruway corridor, are some intervals of afternoon sun. That's the best case scenario. Like I said yesterday, the best chance for the most sun during the day would be in the southern tier. To the south, that system should miss us to the south. So what I've done on the Futurecast is actually added some clouds for you. There they are right there, and roughly where they'll be at 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's watch. Any leftover light snow showers and flurries should taper off. And here's what I've tried to do for you. Pretty easy to see that I've tried to give the most sun to the southern tier. I've tried to give us some breaks of sun for the middle part of our area, including the Thruway corridor and Route 31. Boy, you get north of Route 31, it's going to be tough today, like Watertown and Lowville and Gouverneur and Ogdensburg. I think it's overcast all day. There's that southern system sliding to our south. We'll have a partly cloudy sky this evening. As this system exits, the winds briefly become northwesterly. I wouldn't be surprised if some of these low clouds are around tomorrow morning. And then, even if they are, we should still get a mix of sun and clouds for Valentine's Day. So tomorrow looks pretty good. High of about 40, maybe a little more if the sun's out brighter. Thursday night, overcast with some very harmless scattered rain and wet snow showers, very light. Then on Friday, we're planning on clouds, a few breaks of sun, a spotty rain shower, and a high of 42. The real question mark other than the clouds today as we look ahead to the weekend is how snowy will it be? Our computer models that look at long-range forecasting in terms of days out are still indicating kind of a split. One group is saying just a spray of snow showers, flurries, and localized lake effect. If that's the right answer, then the lake effect would be Saturday east of Lake Ontario, and then Sunday everyone in central New York. There's another camp that actually brings some steadier snow from a coastal storm. Not sure which way this is going to go. My guess is that it'll be more localized snow. We'll see. It's certainly going to get colder, though, for the weekend. You're up to date. Back inside.